make you please check it whether we have written the valency chart or not. Yes or no? In the copy, please check it. Do we have learned the how to write the chemical formula of the compound?
Yes.
Everyone. So we have written the valency of zincate, phosphate, everyone. Na? Okay.
Yes.
So let's try some questions. Do question number 11 and 12 fast. Question number 11 and 12. That is very important. You can take the help of valency chart that we have already written in your notebook if you don't know. If you're getting stuck, you can take the help from that one also. But you have to start writing question number 11 and 12. That is very simple. Please try it. You done?
No, sir.
Not it, please. So what's the answer for this question, please? Can you tell me? What is the answer for this question?
B.
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 Why it is B? What's the correct formula of calcium chloride? It will be CaCl2
2.
because calcium has valency 2 and chloride ion is 1. So cross multiply will get CaCl2. So sodium phosphate, sodium is 2, sorry 1 and sulfate is 2. The correct formula should be Na2SO4. And that of sodium sulfide is sodium is 1 and sulfide ion is 1, 2, sorry. To cross multiply, you will get Na2S. So this formula should be Na2S, this formula should be Na2SO4, this formula should be CaCl2. So the remaining this must be, if you don't know the valency of bismuth, so you know the valencies of other three, you can do that one from that one. Otherwise, bismuth has valency 3 and phosphate ion is also 3. You cut it, you will get BiPO4. Okay. Have you done question number 12,
No,
everyone?
sir.
Still doing?
Yes, sir.
Do it fast. Done?
No, sir.
Okay. So what is copper bromide? Can you tell me what is copper bromide?
CuBr2.
CuBr2. Aluminium nitrate?
AlNO3. NO3.
AlNO3. Whole thrice. Because aluminium valency is 3 and nitrate ion valency is 1. You cross multiply, you will get 1. We don't multiply actually. We don't write 1 here. Okay. So can you tell me the valency of calcium phosphate? Sorry, formula of calcium phosphate?
Ca3PO4 bracket 2.
Very good. Calcium valency is 2. It is also mentioned here. 2 indicating the valency. In phosphate PO4 valency, we know that it is 3. You cross multiply, you will get Ca3PO4. And when it is more than one kinds of atoms are present, like PO4, phosphorus and oxygen are there. So we have to write it in the bracket if we need to multiply it with some number. Iron sulfide.
FeS.
No, it is iron valency is 3. Here 3. So this is ferric sulfide, not ferrous sulfide. This is 3. and sulfide is 2. You cross multiply, you will get Fe2S3. Mercury chloride, anyone? Mercury chloride? Mercury
H3Cl2.
H3,
Oh, Hg.
HgCl2. Yes, it will be HgCl2 because Hg here is 2 and chloride ion is 1. So you cross multiply, you will get HgCl2. Anybody? Magnesium acetate? Anybody?
Mg bracket CH3COO bracket.
CH3COO whole bracket. Right. So you can write it like this way also. Magne-
So,
yes.
so can I explain the D one?
With the
The
F1,
D one, the D.
iron sulfide. Iron valency is 3 here. Na? Iron has two types of valencies. Let me explain you that iron has two types of valencies. One is which is called ferrous. When iron has valency 3, sorry 2, and this is 3. So when it is not mentioned here, if it is only written iron sulfide or 3 is not mentioned, but 2 is mentioned here. It's like here 2. So if it is 2 mentioned, so we will take this one iron. But here it is 3 mentioned means it is talking about the 3 valency of iron. So what we will do simply, we'll simply write it Fe3 and then S2. Then you cross multiply because sulfide, you will get Fe2S3. Got it? Like iron can form two types of oxide, FeO and Fe2O3. How?
Yes,
It is also 2. You cancel out each other, you will get FeO. When it is 3 and when it is 2, you cross multiply, you will get Fe2O. Got it?
yes, sir.
So should I move forward? Everyone done?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So do this one, please. Just a minute. Do question number 15, please, fast. Do question number 15. And also write the name, like it is calcium fluorine. So the formula will be calcium fluoride. Yes, CaF2. Okay. So you have to write the actual name. Then not calcium fluorine will not be considered. Chloride, calcium fluoride will be the name of the compound. It is talking about the when calcium atoms react with fluorine gas, then it will form CaF2. But what is the name of this compound? It is not calcium and fluorine. It is calcium fluoride. So you have to write the name of the compound that is going to form. And moreover, so do it please fast. Just coming
So we
back.
have already done it.
We know we have done it, but we need to practice. Don't
Okay,
cheat,
sir.
please. Don't cheat. Practice important.
So can we refer to the valency table though?
Yeah, repeat what you're saying, Chakri.
Can
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 you?
can we refer to the valency table?
Valency table. I can
Yes, sir.
I can send it to the team. They will send it to you. Okay.
No, sir. Can we like refer to that?
Uh, we have already written this one in the previous class. Have you not noted that one? Valency table.
I did, sir. I'm asking if we can refer to it while solving this.
Yeah. No, why not? Sure. Sure. You have not memorized this one. That is why we are practicing. Sometimes we
Okay.
don't learn the formula individually, but when we keep on practicing the questions of mathematics, and then we by heart the formula. So that is the thing. When we practice, we will memorize. There is no need to keep on revising. You sit down and start learning the values. No, it is not. When you keep on practicing, you will memorize it automatically.
Yes, sir.
You done?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Other students? Sagrika still doing?
No, sir, I'm done.
Okay. When you done, please let me know.
Yes, sir, I'm done.
I'm done as well.
Sir, I'm done.
You're done.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so what's the answer for the first one? Sorry, for the second one.
H2S.
NH3.
NH3. And what is the name
Yes.
of this compound?
Ammonia.
Ammonia. Okay. Or sorry, this one is ammonia. Hydrogen and sulfur is a
H2S.
H2S.
formula for this one is, sorry, name of this compound. What is the name of this compound?
Hydrogen sulfide.
Yes, hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide. Name for this one?
Carbon chloride.
Okay, carbon tetrachloride. We call it carbon tetrachloride, CCl4. Carbon tetrachloride. Like we write carbon dioxide, okay, for the carbon. Because carbon shows two types of valencies. Na? Sometimes it can form carbon CO. And why we do, why, okay, so this might be reason. And CO2 also. So this is why we use carbon dioxide. When an element can make more than one kinds of oxides, okay, then we specifically mention the name that how many oxygens are attached. It is, what's the formula for this one? Sodium and oxygen?
Na2.
Na2O.
Na2O. What's the name of this one?
Sodium.
Sodium oxide.
Sodium oxide. Carbon and oxygen?
C2O4.
H2S.
C2O4. Very good. C2O4. To question number 17. Do question number 17. This is you can do this one easy. This is easy. Okay. So find out the we going to find out that the ratio of the mass, okay, combining mass of the following compounds, okay. So first of all, what you need to do is you have to calculate the molecular mass of each of the following compound. Then I will tell you that how we'll calculate the ratio. Because for calculating the ratio, even you need the whole mass of the compound, okay? That what is the mass of the whole compound. Got it? So find out the ratio of the mass combining element for the following compounds. It's a combining element for that. So like combining element ka ratio is very simple. Mass percentage is different thing. We'll discuss it later. So combining ratio, like for example, if we have calcium, carbon and oxygen. Okay. So calcium mass is 40 and that of carbon is 12 and oxygen are 3. So 3 oxygen means 3 times 16. Okay. So you'll get 48. So 40 is to 12 is to 48. So when you cut it, you will get simplest ratio is 10 is to 6 is to, no, you can cut it by, instead of cutting it with 4, you have to cut it by 8. 8 5s are 40. No, we cannot cut the 12 with 8. Na? Okay. So that will be calcium, oxygen, and calcium, carbon, and oxygen. Carbon and oxygen. So you'll get 40 is to 12 is to 48. You cut it by 4, you'll get 10 is to 4 3 the 12 is to 16. Okay, this is the simplest ratio. So try to find out the ratio of all the elements that are combining here in the others. So try it fast. You done?
No, sir.
Right. Still doing?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
You done?
No, sir.
Wait, please. You done?
Done, sir.
Is there anyone still writing?
No, sir. Done.
No, sir.
Okay. So can you tell me the ratio of ethanol? Mass ratio? 3 to H, 5 to H. The carbon is 12. They are hydrogen, and three kinds of atoms are there.
So 12:3:8.
6 is the total number of atom. Oxygen is only 1, so you write 16 into 1. And carbon is 2, so you write 12 into 2. So you will get 24 is to 6 is to 16. So the simplest ratio will get divided, you will get 12 is to 3 is to 8. Is it correct for all?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Magnesium chloride, magnesium and chloride, magnesium and chloride. The chlorine, magnesium is 2, sorry, 1, 24 into 1 plus chloride ion is 2, so 2 into 35.5. You get 24 is to 71 because 71 is prime. So the ratio is 24 is to 71. Got it?
Yes.
Yes,
Sir,
sir.
I have a doubt.
N is 14 and H is 3. So there are 3 hydrogen, so 14 is to 3. One hydrogen has 1 mass, so 3 hydrogen will have 3. H2SO4 means hydrogen, sulfur, and oxygen. Total hydrogen has 2. Sulfur is also 1. So you can write it. I'm just writing it directly, okay? 32. You have to do it by multiplication like that way we were doing previously. Now there are 4 oxygen atom. One oxygen atom has mass 16, so the 4 will going to have 64. You cut it by 2, you will get 1 is to 16 is to 32. Got it? Got it, everyone?
Sir, I have a
Yes.
doubt.
Still writing anyone?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yeah, what's it up?
Uh, Sir, in MgCl for chlorine, can we take 34 as the appropriate like mass?
No, no. The mass, actual mass you have to take. 35.5 you have to take the actual mass.
Okay, sir.
Next. Next is calcium chlorides when dissolved in water. Okay. Calcium chloride when dissolved in water dissociate into ions according to the following reactions. Sorry. This one is also remaining. Calcium hydroxide. So calcium is 40 and there are 2 hydrogen atoms and 2 oxygen atoms. Okay. So oxygen and hydrogen. So the 2 hydrogen atom, oxygen atom will have mass 32 and 2 hydrogen atom will have 2. So you cut it. Cut 20 is to 16 is to uh 2. Okay. So since you have already done this one and using that calculations, simply calculate the molecular mass of all of them first. Calculate the molecular mass. Done, everyone?
No, sir.
Arey, you have already calculated, na? You have to simply add CaCO3. You have already calculated that calcium mass is 40, the carbon mass is 12, and then it is 48. You have written already. You add all these, you will get 100. Simple. Same you have to do for others also. Do it, please, fast. Done?
Yes, sir.
That's
Uh, so what's the mass of this one? Calcium carbonate, what is the mass?
100.
What is the mass?
100.
Hmm?
100.
100. This one?
95.
25. 25. Even two carbon atoms have 24 mass.
It's a 46.
44, 46.
6, 46.
Okay, this one.
95.
95.
95. This one. It is
17.
17. H2SO4. H2SO4.
98.
90.
8.
8.
98. This one.
74.
70.
4.
So with this. 74. Okay, you've done well. Getting great. You have to write in the standard form. Okay, you have to write in a standard form and try to convert this one into express each of the following in kilograms. So if you are getting stuck, then let me know. 1 milligram is equals to 10 raised to the power minus 3 grams. 1 mg is equals to 10 to the power minus 3 grams. So try to find out your answer should be after 1 decimals, like this, like not this one. Your answer should be 5.8 and then something into power something. Your answer should be here like 5.84 and then into 10 raised to the power something. It is already in the standard form. It is already. So write all the answer in the standard form after one digit decimal, and then try to find out the power. Okay, in grams. Write down. Do it fast. Done? Done, everyone?
Yes, sir.
That's very simple. So what you are going to write it that 1 milligram is equals to 10 to the power minus 3 grams. Okay. And 1 gram is equals to 10 to the power minus 3 kg. So simply 1 milligram, if you want to convert into kilograms, so you have to multiply these two powers minus 3. Okay. So you have to add, sorry, into 10 to the power minus 3 here. When you add it, you will get 10 to the power minus 6. So 1 milligram is equals to 10 to the power minus 6 grams. Okay, so you have to write when you convert it into kg, you have to write it 5.84 into 10 to the power minus 3 into 10 to the power minus 6. So what is the answer? What could be the answer? Can you tell me? That would
5.84 into 10 to the power minus 9.
10 to the power minus 9. When bases are same, powers are added. Okay. So when you add minus 3 with plus minus 6, you will get minus 9. Same. First you will write it 5.83 4 into 10 raised to the power minus 1 because you have shifted this value to this side. Sorry, plus 1, not minus 1. Okay, you have reduced this value 10 times, so you have to multiply it by 10 in order to make it equal. Now it is grams. Now you have to convert it grams into kgs, you have to multiply it minus 3. So when you powers are base are same, you have to add 5.84 into 10 to the power minus 2 kg. Here you have to shift the decimal to this side. So you have increased this value for the 10 times. You have increased this value for the 10 times. So what you need to do is you have to divide it by 10. Dividing by 10 means 10 to the power minus 1. Okay. Now you have to convert into kg. You have to write 10 to the power minus 3. So you'll get 5.84 into 10 to the power minus 4. Now this one is you have to simply add minus 3 to it. You will get 5.873 into 10 to the power minus 24 kg. Okay, got it, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Is
Yes,
that
sir.
clear to you? So that's all for today. We'll meet you in the next one. Thanks for coming, everyone.